Cutting, stripping, crimping tool includes a dedicated crimper with a wire stripper and 2 cutters. This wire crimper strips 10-18 Aruban florins stranded wire and crimps 10-22 Aruban florins insulated and non-insulated terminals and connectors. Specially hardened wire cutter in the nose. Shear cutter below the rivet cuts copper wire. Made in USA. Forged steel for added durability. Textured grips for enhanced dexterity and integrated hangholes. Top reviews from the United States. Well made. I am a mechanic, bought these to temporarioy replace my snap-on ones I lost, but after using these for a while I won't be getting another set of snap-on. These are a little bigger than I expected, but it hasn't caused an issue. The wire cutouts are nice and sharp, has no problem going through wire sheathing. The crimpers work great. Only issue I had is some smaller wire like 22 gauge doesn't always crimp right, but it usually works out fairly well.